Trade has expanded its crackdown on illegal online betting platforms, now zeroing in on the celebrity endorsements. Former cricketers Harbhajan Singh, Yuvraj Singh, Suresh Raina and actors Sonu Sood and Urvashi Rautela have been questioned over their links to banned betting platforms. Shrimi is joining us with more details on this story.
Indeed, the ED is widening its probe into illegal betting case where the now focus is on celebrity endorsement. What we are picking up from our top sources in ED that the agency has reached out to popular personalities and former cricketers, including some Bollywood personality as well, including Yuvraj Singh, Harbhajan Singh, etc. And they are seeking explanation on why they are endorsing such platforms which are banned by Government of India. And in fact, they're also saying that that is the clear violation of several Indian laws, including PMLA, FEMA, and the advisory from the Information and Broadcast Ministry. Now, sources telling us that during the course of probe, ED actually observed that how these betting platforms are using surrogate ads to kind of dodge its identity. For example, XBet became XBAT, and that is how they are kind of marketing themselves as skill of game under the pretext of online gaming to kind of hide its illegal operation. The second important fact emerging during the probe is that how the mule account and Benami transaction is being used to channelize the whole transaction, which ED is currently looking at, and plus the kind of promotional payout being given to some of the media houses. The ad rates are between 50 crore to 100 crore, and that is what they're also seeking inputs on. Some notices already been sent to these celebrities, and some will be issued soon in the coming weeks. Some interesting, estimates have been also given by, ED officials. One is that how this entire market is growing and 30% annually and reaches around $100 billion. 27,000 crore is what the tax evasion, the top popular betting apps are actually evading. And third is that how the traction is increasing. Between January and March alone, they have seen 1.6 billion of traction, which clearly indicates the social as well as financial consequences of this entire, illegal betting platform. So ED is probing this entire case, and we will see more notices and more names emerging in the coming days.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Shrimi, for closely monitoring the story and bringing in those exclusive details there.